Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to enhance your attractiveness as quickly as possible. Whether you're looking to make a great first impression, attract potential romantic partners, or simply boost your self-confidence, this script will provide you with valuable tips and strategy. Remember, attractiveness is not just about physical appearance, but also encompasses various aspects of personality, grooming, and lifestyle. So, let's dive into the world of attractiveness and discover how you can become more appealing to others in no time. 1. Enhancing physical appearance. Maintain good hygiene. Regularly shower and use appropriate grooming products. Pay attention to your dental hygiene. Trim and style your hair appropriately. Dress stylishly. Understand your body type and choose clothes that flatter your physique. Invest in quality clothing that fits well and suits your personal style. Pay attention to details like proper shoe care and accessories. Take care of your skin. Establish a skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Address any specific skin concerns like acne or dryness. Consider using products tailored to your skin type. Section 2. Developing a confident and charismatic personality. Work on self-confidence. Identify and challenge your self-limiting beliefs. Focus on your strengths and celebrate your achievements. Practice positive self-talk and embrace self-acceptance. Improve your communication skills. Practice active listening and engage in meaningful conversations. Develop effective body language and maintain eye contact. Cultivate a sense of humor and learn to be charismatic. Show empathy and kindness. Be genuinely interested in others and their experiences. Practice empathy and understanding in your interactions. Engage in acts of kindness to make a positive impact. 3. Adopting a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize physical fitness. Engage in regular exercise that suits your preferences. Maintain a balanced diet and stay hydrated. Get enough sleep to promote overall well-being. Develop hobbies and interests. Pursue activities that you genuinely enjoy and are passionate about. Explore new hobbies and expand your knowledge. Be open to trying new experiences and embracing adventure. Cultivate a positive mindset. Practice gratitude and focus on the present moment. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive relationships. Manage stress effectively through techniques like meditation or mindfulness. 4. Building a strong social presence. Expand your social circle. Engage in social activities and join clubs or groups that align with your interests. Attend events and meet new people. Maintain existing friendships and nurture meaningful connections. Develop your personal style. Experiment with different fashion styles that reflect your personality. Pay attention to grooming details and find a signature scent. Develop a unique personal style that sets you apart. Project confidence online. Curate your social media presence to showcase your best qualities. Engage in online communities related to your interests. Maintain a healthy balance between virtual and real-life interactions. Conclusion. Becoming more attractive is a journey that encompasses various aspects of your life and personal development. By implementing the strategies and tips discussed in this script, you can enhance your physical appearance, develop a confident and charismatic personality, adopt a healthy lifestyle, and build a strong social presence. Remember, attractiveness goes beyond external factors and involves how you carry yourself, treat others, and live a fulfilling life. While it's important to strive for personal growth and attractiveness, it's equally crucial to embrace your unique qualities and love yourself for who you are. Authenticity and self-acceptance are attractive traits that will naturally draw others towards you. So, embark on this journey of self-improvement and watch as your attractiveness and magnetism increase over time. Remember, the key is consistency and a genuine desire to become the best version of yourself. Now, go out there, embrace your newfound knowledge, and make a positive impact on your own life and the lives of those around you. Good luck on your path to becoming a more attractive individual. Additional resources: books, The Art of Charm by Jordan Harbinger, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, Models, Attract Women Through Honesty by Mark Manson. Websites: Art of Manliness, www.artofmanliness.com. Real Men, Real Style, www.realmenrealstyle.com. The Gentleman's Gazette, www.gentlemansgazette.com. Remember, true attractiveness comes from within. Embrace your unique qualities, develop your strengths, and project confidence, kindness, and authenticity.